Welcome to the second session of the today's lecture, and let's do one example. Now we have to apply the modus ponens rule to deduce the rotation okay. Now we have to apply the modus ponens rule to deduce the rotation is quite slow. And what is given? We are given like if the temperature is high, then rotation is slow. This is the first statement given, that if the temperature is high, then the rotation is slow. And what is the second statement is given? The temperature is very high. So what is the modus ponens rule? Say that if x is a, then y is b. X is a, then y is b. So the first statement is given that if the temperature is high, then the rotation is slow. And the second statement is the temperature is very high. Then what we have to conclude? That we have to conclude that the rotation is quite slow. So how we will do this? Now this is the question. Please jot down the question and then we will solve it. I am going to clear the screen. Okay. Now here we will take as the temperature is high. So we will take 4 linguistic terms for the high. It is high, very high. Okay. For high we will take 2. The first one is your high and very high. Okay. And let's take for the slow. एक होगा slow और दूसरा है quite slow. These are the 2 linguistic terms we are using in the statement. तो let's इसको हमने S से डिफाइन किया है एंड दूसरे को हमने QS से डिफाइन किया है. ठीक है. Now let's see the question. The value for x is given as 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 up to 100. Okay, 90 and 100. So these are the value for the x. And let's see the value for the x. And x is the set of temperature, जिसका वैल्यू कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? 30 से लेकर 100 तक का. And temperature has 2 linguistic terms. The first one is your high and very high. Let's see फॉर y है जो कि रोटेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, एंड y का एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या होंगे, क्या क्या हैं, 10 है, 20 है, 30 है, and it's up to 60. Okay na, 40, 50 and 60. So these are the value for the rotation. Okay, and now let me clear the screen first, then we will proceed for the question. Okay, now let's see, we have H. Okay, and then H में क्या है, we have a different temperature, and what are the associated fuzzy values for the temperature high, 70, 80, 90 का fuzzy value है 0.3. Now let's take for very high. It is your 90. For 90 it is 0.9, and for 100 it is 1. Okay, these are the temperatures and the associated fuzzy values. Now let's see for the slow and quite slow. I have already given you the elements for the temperature and the rotation. So here what we have, for slow it is 10, 1, for 20 it is 0.8. Okay, and for quite slow, let's see the, for 30 the fuzzy set value is 0.8. For 40 it is 1, and for 50 it is 0.6. So these are the fuzzy values with the elements of the quite slow set. Now I have already written H का वैल्यू हमने, सॉरी H बोला मैंने, टेम्परेचर का वैल्यू क्या क्या था मेरा, टेम्परेचर जो मेरा X है उसमें क्या क्या है मेरे एलिमेंट्स, क्या कितने एलिमेंट्स थे, वी आर, इट इज फ्रॉम 30 to 100. And for Y we have the value, the elements are 10 to up to 60. So these are the basically